Central Arsenal here with my review of the Samsung Gravity. Virgin Mobile has come out with its own new phone with a QWERTY keyboard called the Kyocera XTC. You can see some reviews on that also on YouTube. On the Kyocera XTC, you have to slide open the QWERTY keyboard to use the number keys. It does not have an external keyboard, but it does have a larger screen with about two external screens, or two external keys. The screen on the Kyocera XTC is QVGA. Also, this phone's external screen is QVGA. This phone's QWERTY keyboard is very closely related to the Glide. It has three rows, and it's built under the keyboard, which makes it easier for the top screen to slide over the bottom screen. This phone comes in two colors. This is gray and lime green. It also comes in white and blue, which I didn't really like that color, so I got this phone. The QWERTY keyboard is easy to use after you have it for a little while. The space key is located in the middle, as on any QWERTY keyboard phone, or usually on any QWERTY keyboard phone. The side keys, the two side keys, are assigned to the menu and the T-zones, as is these two top buttons. The menu and the T-zones, these two buttons can't be customized, and the D-pad in the middle cannot be customized. The aim on this phone, when you're using aim, it's basically similar to Virgin Mobile in a way that it doesn't display all your friends, and when you add friends to your new aim on this phone, and if you use aim from a computer, it'll wipe all your friends out, so you have to redo it, which sucks. But using the QWERTY keyboard on this phone, it's easy to type on after you get used to it. From the side view, it looks like the Glide, similar to the Glide in a way that the top screen overhangs a little, but it is higher than the Glide, so I was happy for that feature. The phone has a menu lock and every basic feature that a messaging phone has. It does record videos longer than the Shuttle or XTC, and I was happy for that feature. You can insert a memory card into the memory card slot right here. It holds up to 4 gigabytes, right? Yeah, it holds up to 4 gigabytes. And but the problem with my phone, it has a software malfunction, so it can only hold 104 KB. I went into the T-Mobile store, even called customer service, but they said after a while I can get a new phone or just wait for the problem to be fixed automatically, which I don't know how that's going to happen. But I'll try to play a video for you right now and show you the quality of the videos. This video is taken from my television. It's Brink, and this is how it starts off. The video starts off in a small screen-like format, always to the side like this, so you have to hold your phone to the side to view a video. Then you just hit the top button, and it takes you to full screen. If you can see it, it's actually not bad quality. It depends on the video you're taking. If you're taking a bad video from anywhere, you'll be able to see the pixels in the video, which does suck. But if you're taking a good video, then you'll be able to look at it in good quality. The unlimited messaging and data plan on this phone gives you unlimited email, unlimited web, unlimited messaging, and free nights and weekends starting at 9 p.m. The internet on this phone is good, but you can't access certain websites, say YouTube. You can't play videos because that's data intensive, and it won't format that for you for obvious reasons. It's a low-tech phone. I can't check my bank account on this phone. For some reason, it won't let me do that. It offers an email app, and that is also with IM, but the email app, it doesn't let you see your emails as I would want them to, so I just go to the internet, and then I go to my email that way, which is much easier. The up key controls your on the D-pad controls your call records. The right key controls your audio postcards, which again, that is a feature on this phone. The audio postcards on this phone, it lets you choose from a number of frames that you can take a photo with, and then add voice to that audio postcard, and then send it to a friend or family member. And the camera on this phone is 1.3 megapixel. Above it is a vanity mirror surrounded by a microphone. The camera is good. You can edit your images in a video editor. You can, you can hold on. You load an image from anywhere. Then you could choose from different options such as effects, black and white, negative, sepia, blur, or sharpen. You can brighten it, contrast, and then you can send it to your friends. So it's a good little feature. On the right side of the phone, you get your camera key and your video camera key. Above that, right here on the top, you get your charger port and your earphone jack. On the left side of the phone, you get your volume toggle, and on the bottom, here's your micro SD card slot, which mine isn't working right now. You may have heard that the battery life on this phone is bad. I would agree with that, only if you're signing on AIM, then you're using your email, and you're also on the web. But besides that, the battery will stay active for a while. Call quality on this phone is good, and the battery lasts for a while when you're talking on the phone if it is charged. It lasts about 3 hours I've gotten out of it. Messaging on the phone is cool because when you slide it open, you push the letter M and it takes you to your messaging automatically. And unlike other phones, if you slide it closed whenever you're in a menu option, or even if you slide it open, say you're at your organizer and you want to type a message, it won't go back to the front screen. It'll stay on that screen. So that's a cool little feature for this phone. And it does stay green for a little while. But one thing that does run down the battery is brightness and contrast on the phone. If you lower your brightness, then that does save life on your battery. Yeah, that's about what this phone has to offer. As I said, AIM, it doesn't display all your buddies, and that's kind of a negative feature for me. The battery is located on the back, under this back panel. It's a thin battery, which is probably why the battery life is so low. But besides that, if you keep it on the charger, then you're good. This is a My Faves phone. It has a little symbol at the bottom that indicates it's a My Faves phone. So it's pretty good. It's a Samsung logo right there. This is a plan phone. It's not prepaid, so I guess you have to be 18 to get this phone. But I would prefer it over a prepaid phone. But if you want to get the Kyocera XTC, just expect to open your phone every time you want to dial a number. Because it has no external keypad. And the video quality you can't record as long. But have any questions, let me know. But for right now, this is my first review of the Samsung Gravity.